Hello friends, welcome to WikiTube channel, and in this video we will tell you how to get a loan when you need one. Life is full of unexpected events. No matter how hard you try to plan every aspect of your day, there is a good chance that something unexpected will happen. Many a times, we are able to deal with some unexpected events in a much easier way than others. Other times, others need help. If you find that you or your family has a car problem or a medical emergency, you may need financial assistance in the form of a loan. Getting a loan for a new vehicle, an unexpected medical bill, or other personal reasons, it sounds simple enough. Unfortunately, there are many people who do not know where to go for last-minute loans. If you need a last-minute loan, you are encouraged to take a minute and consider your options. Working on feelings can help you in your current situation, but it can be worse for you in the long run. When you need a loan at the last minute, this is one of the first places you should go: to the bank. Many people do not even bother to visit their bank, as most of the traditional banks take up to a week to approve the loan. If you do regular business with a local bank, you are encouraged to fill out a loan application there and actually speak to a bank employee. You can see that after explaining your financial situation, your bank can be quick on your loan application. It is a proven fact that many banks will do everything possible to help one of their regular customers. If you are unable to get a quick loan from your bank, you may want to see what online lenders can do for you. Online lenders are easily found through a standard internet search. To complete a loan application, you will need to provide important personal information. You are encouraged to know who you are working with before providing this information. When searching for a lender online, you want to make sure that their website is hosted on a secure website. Like local banks, you may find that online lenders vary in the amount of time it takes to process a loan application. Even if you have the money before the expected date of approval, you are still being asked to fill an online loan application. The dates given by most lenders are only estimates, so you don't really know when your loan will get approved. The biggest mistake that many people make is to get a quick cash loan, otherwise known as a payday loan. These loans can be easily obtained online or at a storefront location. Once approved, you will often receive your money the same day. The only problem with quick cash loans is that you are often bombarded with fees. If you need a quick cash loan, it is important to be familiar with these charges beforehand. Doing so will ensure that you know exactly how much you will end up paying. Another option that many people don't even think about is an alternative payment arrangement. If you need money to pay your utility bills, rent, car bills, or medical bills, you are encouraged to talk to the person or company to whom you owe money. You may find that your bill collector will give you a small detail before making a final attempt to raise funds. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe our channel so don't miss the upcoming videos.